Hello, you want to see how I achieve these beans and yam porridge? Watch this video so you don't miss out. Hello, welcome back. This is Lady B. How you guys doing? I hope you guys are doing safe. Today I'm making beans yam porridge, and there is my pot. I'll add in my beans and I'll cover and cook for 40 minutes. So here is after 40 minutes. I'll turn the beans from the pot. I put in the sieve, and I added my vegetable oil. I added the chicken. I added the meat spices. I will leave down below the meat spices that I used, my onion. I added crayfish. I gave it a good mix, and I will be adding my beans. So I'll give it a very good mix until everything comes together and everything is well incorporated. So I'll cover and allow it to simmer on low heat for 5 minutes. So here I added my yam, and I'll pour in hot water from the kettle. All my returnees, I really appreciate your love and support. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe, turn on the post notification so that anytime we upload you will be notified. Feel free to check other of my videos. Share if you can share. Thank you for always returning. So here I cooked the yam for 10 minutes and I gave it a good mix after 10 minutes. So I taste for salt, and it needed salt, so I sprinkled some salt. I'll cover and cook it for another 5 minutes. So yes, after 5 minutes, I'll add in my vegetable spinach. I'll give it a good mix. I'll turn off the heat so that the heat can cook the vegetable. So here is it, our beans yam porridge is ready. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.